So I started stripping the tractor, pulled off the bad mudguard, and I said I'd throw on the new one just loosely to see what it looks like, because like I said, they're different sizes. I'm not sure which I prefer. We'll have a look in a minute and see. I'm undecided. I don't know. Someone commented on the other video and they said the 6-cylinder crystals had wide mudguards and the 4 cylinders had the narrow mudguards. And I would say they're right, it makes sense. Yes, I pulled that off, put on the new one, pulled up the floor, took out the seat, took out the bottom back window. The roof is unbolted, it's just sitting on the cab now ready to come off. There's just no one around to give me a hand to lift it. Yeah, still no serious rust found, just surface rust. So probably will sandblast the cab frame. What else? Oh yeah, took for a spin on Sunday and lads, I nearly died. I nearly died, and I'll show you why. Nothing holding that, nothing at all. Right, there's the new mudguard. Big fucking tramp yoke. And here is the old mudguard. Presumably off a 4-cylinder, or I'm not sure. But I can't really decide which I prefer. Either way, any of the new mudguards you get do not have the recessed box for the light. They just come flat. So I don't know. I don't know what to do with that. If you have a strong opinion on the mudguard argument, leave a comment and let me know what you think, because I can't decide. I cannot decide myself. So I said in the last video I wanted to salvage the roof, and I found out today I don't have any choice. Cannot buy a new roof. Cannot be got. You can buy a new bonnet, you can buy a new nose cone, new mudguards, the wide ones or the narrow ones, new side panels, new grills, but you cannot buy a new roof. So there's a bit of rust in my one, but it'll have to be salvaged now either way. Right, so I took off the window here. It's pushes in now. It's not mounted inside the rubber seal, but there is a rubber seal all around the outside. There's obviously a fucking lip on the cab frame to hold it, and I'm about to find out if that has completely rusted away or if that's salvageable. So fingers crossed. Oh, we did not do too bad. Fairly rusty and one section missing, but definitely could be worse. Right, so I went to the other side, done the same thing, pulled out the window, pulled off the rubber seal, and a bit of rot. Could be better, could be worse. Bit of welding to be done, nothing major. moved onto the back window, managed to get it off the hinges. They weren't seized, surprisingly. Took out the window, pulled off the rubber seal, fairly bad, but again, a little bit of welding and it'll be fine. Could be a lot worse. Right, I can't remember what's in that last clip. That was from yesterday. What did I say? Wednesday. I wasn't really recording it all evening, but I was ripping away and I lost the run of myself. Have a look. No tin work and no glass. Right, I'm sure there's a few Zetor veterans watching this because I'd be sharing it on Facebook groups. Looking for a bit of advice on lifting off the cab because I'm gone that far now where I may as well. But if I was to lift it up, the whole cab, I presume this will get caught here. But then I noticed you can split the cab frame from, we'll say, the floor frame. Somehow, I'm not sure where it splits up the front. Haven't looked properly. But any suggestions or advice about that is welcome in the comment section, please. Thank you very much.